Assalamualaikum and hi. I am pleased to stand before you today to discuss an important topic in our field, high restriction barriers. As we know, transportation infrastructure plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of our own cities and towns. Today, I will explain what these barriers are, why they are essential, and the importance of implementing effective protection system. First, let me define a high restriction barrier. It's a physical structure or obstacle designed to limit the height of a vehicle passing through a particular area. So, these barriers strategically placed in areas like parking garage and tunnels safeguard infrastructure by limiting vehicle height, preventing potential damage and hazards. In a nutshell, these barriers are essential for maintaining the safety and efficiency of public transportation system. They ensure the oversized vehicles don't venture into tunnels and low bridge, averting potential structural damage and risk for passengers and pedestrians. Implementing effective protection system for high station barriers is crucial through continuous monitoring and adjustments to high limits. We fortify our transportation infrastructure, preventing potential damage and ensuring smooth operation. In conclusion, the diligent deployment of high restriction barriers is fundamental to the safety and efficiency of our transportation system, ensuring a secure and seamless urban environment for years to come. The main downfalls of barrier. First, incomplete system. While it may prevent potential damage or accident, the incomplete system may cause severe accidents. So severe accidents may resulting in damage to infrastructure and even fatalities have occurred due to the barrier's inability to effectively stopping the vehicles and promptly summon assistance. Next, the vehicle may tripping when the collision or failure of the system. The vehicle may become trapped between the nowadays barriers. This can result in significant damage to both vehicles and poses a potential hazard to other drivers and emergency personnel. To ensure the safety and effectiveness of this barrier, it is crucial to invest in the latest technology and true maintenance procedures. By addressing these potential downfalls and ensuring that the system are implemented correctly, we can create safer and more efficient communities. In conclusion, barrier downfalls represent a complex issue that requires careful consideration and through evaluation of potential solutions. By being aware of these downfalls and implementing appropriate measures, we can enhance the safety and well-being of our communities. So, I will tell you the problem statement. In urban environments and public spaces, the need for effective height restriction barriers has become increasingly critical to address safety concerns and prevent unauthorized access by overseas vehicles. Existing height restriction system often lack robustness, damage, and security breaches. Therefore, there is a pressing need for the development of an advanced height restriction barriers protection system that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to enhance overall safety, minimize the risk of accidents, and provide a reliable solution for managing vehicular access in restricted high areas. As you can see from the slide, when a vehicle approaches this gate, the system detects the vehicle's height and ensures it does not exceed the specified limit. This feature prevents vehicles from crashing into obstacles, saving lives and reducing injuries. Moreover, the system has built-in SMS alert and crash reporting system. In the event of a vehicle accident, an SMS message will be automatically sent to the designated contact, alerting them to the situation. So, a report will also be sent to the authorities, ensuring timely assistance and support for those in need. The automatic gate serves a vital tool for maintaining safety on our roads. With the system in place, we can look forward to a safer and more secure future on our roads. Thank you.
I will explain about the component in our project. Our project contains of 5 main components, which is ultrasonic sensor, motor, automatic gate, height barrier, and a vibration sensor. Firstly, we use Arduino Uno because it's very easy to use and compatible to other sensors and or other accessories. Next, we use ultrasonic sensors HCSR04. This component will detect the object that pass through it and anything, especially vehicles. After that, we also use a vibration sensor SW1810P. This component will vibrate and give the warning to the user if the user hit the bar or pass through the height limit. After that, we use GPS module SIM28ML. This component will detect the exact location of the user if if anything happens, such as if the user hit the bar or the user pass through the height limit, then we use GSM module SIM 900A, which is this component will send messages fastly or send the phone calls to the users if the user hit the bar or anything emergencies happen. Lastly, this is the main component, which is servo motor that will control all the components that I just present later to make it smoothly.
Now I will present about our project. It is being separated into two parts. That is accessibility of sensor part and the report part. I will start with the sensitivity of sensor part. Okay. Sensor that is placed at the height limit will sense an object that surrounds or is nearby. Or the sensor can sense the object which is at the person limit. So it will go to the condition is an object. If yes, the vehicle exit height limit. So when it senses an object, so the bar is inserted in front and automated gate being down, so the vehicles cannot pass through it. When there is no object, the vehicle does not exit height limit, motor is inserted to move up. So the motor move up meaning the automated gate up. Next, I will continue with the report part. So we start the first process, that is the radiation sensor that placed at the height limit, then sensing if there is an accident, which is in this case vibration. So if there is an accident, the vibration can be felt by the sensor. So the GPS module will collect navigation data, which is longitude and latitude. So the GPS module will send the message to the preloaded contact. There is no vibration, so there is no action that needs to be to do.
So I'll be presenting about the general electrical circuit and also the coding part of our project. So as you can see here, this is the warning part of our project, and this is the circuit of it. So as my teammate mentioned before, we are using Arduino Uno and also ultrasonic sensor and also motor. And for the report part, unfortunately we couldn't find a simulation website or simulation software that provides GPS and GSM module for simulation. And so we decided to research online, and we found this diagram here, which will be quite useful for us. And this is the overall circuit for the GPS and GSM module in the Arduino Uno board. And for the coding part, this is the part of coding where we declare the pins, and as you can see here, we extra declared pin 7 and pin 8 for the RX and TX for GSM module. This is due to the original RX and TX pin on the Arduino board is already used by the ultrasonic sensor. And this is the part where we set out the pin, which pins are the input and which pins are the output. And this is the general code, or we can say the general concept of our coding, because we use this method. And as you can see here, if the object is over height limit, then it will lower down the gate. If it detects vibration, then it will send emergency SMS. Or else, if there's nothing, if the vehicle does not pass the height limit, then the gate will be raised up again. And this is the object detection. As my teammates mentioned before, the ultrasonic sensor is actually placed at the height limit itself. For example, if the height limit is 2.3 meter, then we will set up the ultrasonic sensor at the height of 2.3 meter as well. So if it detects an object, then it is obviously the vehicles is past the height limit. So in this case, if the sensor detects an object, then it will send the trigger back to the Arduino board, and then it will trigger the gate to be lowered down. Yeah, and this is the simulation. As you can see here, the car is not past the height limit, so the gate will not be lowered down and can pass it very quite easily. And this lorry obviously passed the height limit, and the gate will be lowered down and preventing it from passing the barrier itself. Yeah. And for the report part, this is where the vibration sensor will detect if there is a vibration. In real life, it will be crashing. So if there is a vibration, it will send the trigger, and then the GSM module will do its work by sending the preloaded SMS and also the the location collected by the GPS module to the preloaded phone number as well. So this project is actually still a very on-surface project, and we couldn't have the time and the energy for further research or further improvement. And so if you are given the opportunity or chance to further improve our project, these are some of the improvement that can be made to the project. So we can add on a button for raising the gate manually. This is to prevent any error detection where, for example, if the car actually doesn't pass the high limit but the gate is still lower down. So the user can push the button to raise the gate manually. And also we can add the camera at the barrier to capture picture and send through the GSM module. This is to prevent error detection where it maybe there is no accident occurred, but then the vibration sensor still detect there's a vibration and send a message to the preloaded number. But in this case, if we add a camera, it will send a picture also in the SMS, so we can filter out. We can see whether it is true that there is an accident or it's just a false detection. And that is all from our team, and thank you.